In the heart of a peaceful Zen temple, nestled among towering trees and lush gardens, a devoted practitioner named Akira embarked on a profound journey of self-discovery. Seeking to deepen his understanding of the teachings, he found himself drawn to the ancient art of bell meditation. One serene morning, as the sun's gentle rays illuminated the temple grounds, Akira sat in the meditation hall, facing the grand temple bell, a symbol of awakening and mindfulness. With each breath, he centered himself, ready to embark on a transformative experience. The master, a wise and compassionate figure, approached Akira and shared the instructions for the practice. "Listen closely, my dedicated disciple," the master began, his voice filled with calmness. "As the bell reverberates through the air, let its sound guide you into the present moment. Release all attachments to the past and future, and immerse yourself fully in the now." Akira nodded, absorbing the master's guidance, and closed his eyes in preparation. The master slowly raised the wooden mallet and struck the temple bell, setting in motion a cascade of harmonious vibrations. As the bell's resonant tones permeated the space, Akira's mind gently let go of its wandering thoughts. He allowed himself to be enveloped by the rich and captivating sound, surrendering to the present moment. Each echo of the bell seemed to draw him deeper into a state of profound awareness. In the symphony of sound, Akira discovered a new dimension of existence, an awakening to the power of presence. The reverberations of the bell carried him beyond the constraints of time and the burden of past regrets or future anxieties. He felt a profound connection to the eternal now, where all possibilities resided. With each resonating tone, Akira's awareness expanded, like ripples in a tranquil pond. He realized that true peace and clarity lay in fully embracing the present moment. He let go of the need to control or analyze, and instead surrendered to the flow of the bell's song. The master watched Akira's transformation with a serene smile, recognizing the profound shift taking place within his devoted disciple. The bell, a conduit of wisdom and insight, acted as a gentle guide, leading Akira towards a deeper understanding of his own existence. As the last notes of the bell dissipated into the silence, Akira's eyes slowly opened. The meditation hall was filled with a profound stillness, as if time itself had momentarily ceased to exist. A sense of tranquility washed over him, infusing his being with a newfound clarity and peace. In that moment, Akira realized the power of presence, a simple yet profound truth that had eluded him before. He understood that the past was but a collection of memories, and the future a realm of uncertainty. The true essence of life resided in the eternal now, where each breath held the potential for awakening and transformation. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months as Akira continued his practice of bell meditation. With each session, he delved deeper into the mysteries of the present moment, cultivating a profound connection to the eternal now. He carried the teachings of the temple bell beyond the meditation hall, infusing his daily life with the spirit of mindfulness. Whether he was sipping tea, walking in nature, or engaged in conversation, Akira allowed himself to be fully present, embracing each moment as a precious gift. Through his dedicated practice, Akira's interactions with others transformed. He listened attentively, not only to their words but also to the subtle nuances of their presence. He discovered that true communication and understanding blossomed when one was fully present, free from the distractions of past judgments or future expectations. As the years passed, Akira became a beacon of wisdom and tranquility in the temple community. People sought his guidance, drawn to the serenity that radiated from his being. He shared the transformative power of bell meditation, guiding others on their own journeys of presence and awakening. And so, the temple bell became a cherished symbol of mindfulness and letting go. A reminder to fully immerse oneself in the present moment. Its resonant tones continued to guide generations of seekers, inviting them to release the burdens of the past and the anxieties of the future and to embrace the timeless beauty of the eternal now.